Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into a world where luxury has no limits, and craftsmanship feels more like fine art than car design. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, a concept that redefines what it means to travel in absolute elegance. This isn't just a car, it's an experience created for those who want exclusivity at the highest level. As you open the door and step inside, the first feeling is silence and calm. The cabin feels more like a private luxury lounge than a traditional car interior. Every surface you see and touch is handcrafted, with natural materials chosen not just for beauty, but for how they make you feel. Soft, premium leather wraps around the seats, dashboard, and doors, perfectly stitched by master artisans. The leather is paired with open-pore wood veneers that flow seamlessly through the cabin, inspired by classic luxury yachts. The seats are designed to feel like custom-made furniture. They gently support your body, offering deep comfort whether you're on a short drive or a long journey. The seating position is relaxed, almost like sitting in a first-class suite. Subtle embroidery and personalized details remind you that this interior is built around the owner's lifestyle, taste, and personality. Nothing feels mass-produced. Everything feels personal. The dashboard design is clean, elegant, and timeless. There's no unnecessary clutter, only carefully placed elements that enhance the experience. Digital displays are present, but they are beautifully integrated, blending modern technology with classic Rolls-Royce design. The screens are crisp, minimal, and easy to read, showing information only when you need it, then disappearing into the background to preserve the calm atmosphere. Ambient lighting softly illuminates the cabin, creating a warm and soothing glow. At night, the interior feels like a private sanctuary, completely separated from the outside world. The famous Rolls-Royce starlight effect adds a magical touch, turning the roof into a constellation that can be customized to match the owner's favorite night sky. Every control feels perfectly weighted, from the steering wheel to the switches and dials. Even the smallest details, like the air vents and door handles, are crafted with extreme precision. The sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, tuned specifically for the boat tail's cabin, making every note feel rich and immersive without ever being overpowering. What truly sets the 2026 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail apart is how it makes you feel. This interior isn't designed to impress with flashy features. It impresses through quiet confidence, comfort, and unmatched quality. It's about slowing down, enjoying the journey, and appreciating the beauty of craftsmanship in a world that's always rushing forward. Sitting inside the boat tail, you don't feel like a driver or a passenger. You feel like an honored guest in a moving masterpiece. This concept shows us what the future of ultra-luxury can look like when technology, tradition, and artistry come together perfectly. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the interior experience of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.